अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम टॉम जोन्स का चैप्टर नंबर 3 पढ़ेंगे, क्रिटिकल कमेंट्री। बुक 1। टॉम जोन begins not in the first but in the second chapter in that part of western division of this kingdom which is commonly called Somersetshire. There lately lived and perhaps lives still a gentleman whose name was Allworthy, and who might well be called a favourite of both nature and fortune, for both of these seem to have contended which should bless and enrich him most. After this yearly and high sounding beginning, we are led in the first book from the account of Allworthy and Bridget to the arrival and setting in the Foundling, the lecture by Allworthy to Jenny John on chastity and his benevolence toward her in causing her to be removed to a place where she might enjoy the pleasure of reputation after having tasted the ill consequence of losing it, the introduction of the two Blifils, the courtship and marriage of Bridget by Captain Blifil, and at the end of book yet another removal, Dr. Blifil having acted as go-between in his brother's courtship of Bridget. He is now discarded. He goes to London, where he died soon after of a broken heart. At once, therefore, Fielding introduces us to a word of a particular kind and invites us to take his novel in a certain ways, as that is a comedy in which some semblance of tone, though pervasive, is very from preventing hilarious response about the tonality of novel as a whole. Mr. Kane has useful thing to say. He writes to Tom, living in a world in which the majority of people are ill-matured and selfish, some of them actively malicious, and in which the few of good person are easily imposed on by appearance. It is against this background of the potentially serious, more than ever prominent in the London scene, that the story of Tom's repeated in these creations is most to unfold, with the result that though the player remains consistently comic, its quality is never quite that is the merely amiable comedy based likewise upon the blunder of sympathetic protagonist of such works as she stops to conquer the rivals. We are not disposed to feel when we are alone laughing at Tom that all is tight with the word of that we can count on fortunate always intervening in the same gratifying way on behalf of wood, and the death by heartbreak of not altogether amiable Dr. Blifil at the end of the first book does establish this tone. Book 2. The second book is also end with death, the time of death of Captain Blifil, which is represented by the narrator as a useful joke at the expense of martial infelicity, and final touch of book is the marriage of Bright, which is shown to have been short and miserable, but the principal structure feature of book 2 is doubleness, consisting of false and true contrast in relationship. Two unhappy marriages are dramatized, and those are ironically dominated in the title of book as scene of matrimonial felicity in different degrees of life. But there is very little to choose between the unhappiness of Mr. and Mrs. Partridge and that of Blifil. The other doubleness, which henceforward will dominate the novel, take its beginning with the birth of Blifil, religious Cassius अगेंस्ट शोइंग टू मच फेवर टू बास्टर्स। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।